Mark, what you got in the back right there?
I'm glad you asked, brother. Let me tell you. What's up, guys? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check it out. In the back is a brand new setup, as you can see. Brand new set of moto metals and a brand new set of 33, 1250, 20-inch tires. We're gonna mount them on a set of 20 by 10s. The reason being, it's going on the new build right there. 2012 Ford F-150 Lariat. Turbo D, just kidding, gotcha. It's a gas motor. So check it out, guys. I'm gonna give you a side shot of it real quick. So what we're doing, just to make it quick, hey guys, let me introduce you to one of my good buddies of mine. This is my boy Carter.
Hey, how you doing?
So, giving you guys a shout out. I'll give the phone back to you. Check it out. So, with this truck, we were gonna keep it stock, and I was like, you know what? For the little amount of money I can invest in this F-150, not little, but a decent amount, a couple $1,000s of wheels and tires, or under, you know, not gonna give my prices out, but if you guys want tires, hit me up, and wheels, all that stuff too. For the amount of money I could put in, it'll look super, super, super tough. It'll sell a lot easier, and it's gonna be brand new set. What we're doing on this truck right here, it's a bone stock F-150. We're gonna put a leveling kit on here, and we're gonna be able to tuck a set of 33, 1250, 20-inch tires mounted on a set of 20 by 10 wheels. Let's go check the new wheels we picked out. These are in the earlier videos. I bust out my knife. Ready? Boom! So, I'm not gonna jump with a knife in my hand. Ready? Pure, watch this, Carter. This is probably a little bit above my waist. Here's my ups, ready? Pure ups, baby, pure ups. White man can jump. All right, so check it out. These are the tires they're throwing on there. A super cool, nice set of a Chili's. Come up in here, let me show you, Carter. So ready? These, my friends, are the new wheels. I'm gonna show you, ready? Hold on, let me see. Oh, these are the ones? Yep, these are the ones. Okay, cool. Make sure I grab the right wheels. You guys are seeing it first. Brand new, ready? Moto Metal 996s. Oh yeah, look how beautiful those are. Guys, these are a 5-spoke star wheel, and they're offset. So in one direction, they're gonna be facing one way, and the next direction, they're gonna be facing the other way. They're gloss black with machined accents, and they're super nice because look, you still get a decent amount of lip. You probably have maybe a 3 to probably 4-inch, I'd say 4-inch lip right there. We're gonna have to trim a little bit of the F-150, and I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's go back over here. Oh, don't fall, wheel. Let's go back over here, and these are all brand new setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, stay right there, wheel. Come over here, let me show you, as I'm wielding my knife around. So, you guys always want to ask how, so I'm gonna show you right here. You guys always want to ask, it's like, Mark, how do I know my wheel and tire setup's gonna fit? Well guys, based on the lift kit, that's when you can decide what kind of what size tire you want to run and what size wheel around that inside that tire. The leveling kit's only going to give us probably a 2-inch, maybe sometimes they have 2.5, 3-inch leveling kits. They'd probably bring it up, basically leveling the front with the back. With that said, I'm going to have to trim a little bit of my valance right here on the plastic part, but not much. If you have mud flaps, you're probably going to take those off. But stay tuned in the next video on Friday. This is going to be done. We're going to get it detailed. I'm going to get the windows tinted 20% to match all the way around and make sure it's uniform. And after that, we'll have a pretty F-150 deliver a badass product. Stay tuned. This is Mark signing out. See ya.